Hello everyone, welcome back to A Laundress Journey. Today I'm giving you behind the scenes of how I balance productivity and family life as a busy mom of three. Whether it's giving the kids something that's gonna keep them busy and entertained for a while, getting work done, or finding a moment for myself, which is so important no matter if you have kids or not. All about that balance, so let's dive right into my day. My mornings are about setting the tone for the day. I like to wake up early before the kids are up. I usually make myself a coffee, open up my planner, just relax or get a few things done to get a head start of my day and just go over priorities. This little window of peace really helps me start my day strong, and I honestly swear by it now. Before, if you asked me if I was going to be waking up at 5, I would have been saying, no way, Jose, not with 3 kids and not with all the duties that come with motherhood. Once the kids are up, it's all about them. Breakfast is a mix of fun and chaos. I like to use this time to engage with them, whether it's chatting it up on what they want to do or what we're going to do for the day, including them in making breakfast. After breakfast, this is when I like to take some time for myself to get work done, tackle a few tasks like cleaning, checking emails, or just helping them get ready for the day, or even squeezing some time for myself. I'm a big fan of time blocking. It helps me stay focused even with all the interruptions that come with being a mom. I also like to set timers for myself to only focus on that task that I'm doing. I don't think of all the things that need to be done. By lunchtime, this is when we all as a family take a time to reset our home. It's a chance to reconnect with the kids, quick tidying up of the toys as I do the morning dishes, and even take a moment for myself. It can be as simple as just stepping outside, going to throw the trash out. Kids can come with you. They're gonna find some bugs, they're gonna find a leaf, and they're gonna give you the time that you need to just take a few deep breaths outside, connecting to nature, and it's gonna make you feel amazing. In the evenings, I try to reconnect with the family. After dinner, I like to give them a bath, read some books, do a little prayer. They are so in love with Paw Patrol right now, so we might play some jams. Shake Your Sillies Out is a big hit over here. And once the kids are asleep, I like to take this time to reflect on my day, what I accomplished, what I'm gonna do tomorrow. And that's a day in my life. Some days feel a little chaotic and other days just flow smoothly, but it's all part of the journey. Thank you so much for joining me. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips and inspiration. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.